So hey everyone, welcome back to the another C++ tutorial series. So this is our lecture number 17, and in lecture number 16 we cover the array code implementation. So make sure to first watch that and then you can watch this one. Okay. So but today it's not just a day. Everyone know that, right? It's Valentine Day. So let's mix a little love with logic and make today's lesson even more fun than the other lecture. So firstly, let's take a real world example. Directly we are taking a real world example, then we are taking a two examples, okay, like code implementation. Imagine you have a list of crush. So I will write it here, list, list of crush, crushes, not crush, okay, or like gift to buy for your lover, okay. Sometime you need to remove a name from that list, right? And sometime you need to search for someone special. That exactly what we do today, okay, with array. So without wasting our time, let's dive into the love and logic of C++. So our first coding question is deleting an element from an array, that is, in your terms, or we can say in Valentine's term, breaking up with code. Okay. So without wasting our time, we will directly move toward first our code editor. Then I will guide you step by step what exactly it's doing it here. So let's move toward our code editor. So yeah, I will write the sample like syntax of that, and let's write. So first take a function and call it as a element void element, and in this we are taking an integer array, and then everyone know that what I am writing to it, okay. And then we are declaring size as well in integer format, and then integer and position, or we can say index, position. Then we have to apply some conditions. So first we apply condition if position means nothing but just a index, like, okay, position, and then it's basically position is always greater than equals to, but we comparing, and this is nothing but just a or condition, okay. And then we apply then greater than equals to the size of what we are taking, okay. And then in this we have to print that cout. We will write in a relationship format, so we write it as like yeah, oops, invalid what's a position, okay, like, and write something more like look like they were, just a second, it's basically, yeah, they were never, like, it's not even in your list or in your heart, in your heart, or we can say take it as, yeah, heart, 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 okay. And just and write endl, okay. This one is the first one. Then we have to write return 0, as simple as that. And then after this we have to write for the shift element to the left, that we have to make it comment that shift elements to the left, to the left, okay. So for these we have to apply for condition, that is for integer I equals to position, and then I is nothing but equals to the size less than 1, and then we have to increment it. And in this we have to again write array I equals to array I plus 1, and then after these all we have to decrease the size, that is size minus minus, it means nothing but it's reduce the array size, okay. And then by one, everyone know that what is mean by that, okay. And then we have to apply cout. Then you update, like if you get new crush, you just update your list, update list. Okay, and make sure to then apply index to it. Okay, then we have to again apply the for loop, that is for equals. Again, size is not right now, it's size -1. It's basically the size of the array, as simple as that. Okay, and then in this we have to just declare the array index, like what is mean by that. Okay, and after that our favorite line, that is cout endl and just, and then we have to write our integer code. So I will already write the draft of that. So then take a array of size, take again a 5. So size of, we are taking 5, not 35, it's 5. So yeah, I make a mistake here, it's a 5, and the value we are taking it like, take something 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Okay, and then we have to declare the size of that, is integer size equals to 5, and then we have to print that cout. In this we have to print the original list, that is before that, before updating the list. Okay, and then we have to apply again for condition, that I size less than equals to, and in this we have to print the array, that is with index as well. Okay, and our favorite line, that is cout ended, and then after this we have to write position, SITION, position, and in this we have to write the updated list, like enter position, 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 to remove that. We have to just mention which you want to remove the position. Okay, so it's basically its position, or we can say index, start from 0 and not from 1. So make sure to remember this, and then we have to just write the scene position. Oh, it's scene means we are taking the output from the user. Okay, and then we have to just write last line, that is delete elements array size, and we already write that return 0, but yeah, we don't have, make sure we did not get any type of error. So let's run, and yeah, we get the error in line number 8. So what exactly it's mean, just a second. So yeah, delete element should not return a value. Okay, wait a second. Okay, so let's run again. We should have void function delete element should not return a value 0. So we do not want to write the return value 0 here. So let's run the code, and yeah, we get the value. So now we have to just enter the position, that is mean by index, and it start from the 0 and not from 1. So I write 1, that is mean by the value 20. So let's check, and yeah, our list is updated, that is it's removed 10, because the index start from 10, means 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So when I write the position of index that I want to remove, that is 1, it means 0 and 1, that is mean by the value is 20. So the updated list is 10, 30, 40 and 50, because it's remove the value in the array, or we can say element in the array, which is 20. Okay, so let's move toward like how it's work. Make sure first we have array of name, or we can say number, represent your Valentine list. Okay, the user chooses which name, or we can say the index to remove, that we have to choose, or you like तुम्हें किसको remove करना है. Okay, then we shift the element left, just like moving on from someone. If you want to, if your breakup is just, I mean तुम्हारा breakup recent हुआ है, तो yeah, you have to shift like moving from someone, right? Then finally we print the updated list, that is your new, better and drama, whatever you want to do that. I'm just taking an example, so don't relate with me all this stuff. Okay, so the twist is, if the user enter an invalid index, like let's again run it, and we are writing something invalid, like take the right. So what you get, oops, invalid position, look like they were never in your heart, मतलब वो तुम्हारे लिस्ट में थी या था ही नहीं. Okay, I'm just taking an example. Okay, and if they successfully delete someone, we say list updated on the better things. Okay, so now let's find someone special for you, that you remove someone, right? So now it's our duty to someone, yeah, you find someone special in your life. So again, let's go to our PowerPoint. Yeah, okay, the first question is sorted. The step is like we are declaring something array name. Okay, then we have to matlab choose the index which we want to remove. Choose index which remove. Okay, then we are shifting, shift from left. Okay, basically moving on. And the fourth one is the updated list, matlab तुम्हारी new crush, updated list. Okay, I hope you get what I am telling to you as per the code, like it's relate. So I will give you that example. The next one is a searching for an element in an array. It means finding your Valentine, or we can say finding your new girlfriend. So wait a second. Yeah, so let's start again. The second one is that is finding your Valentine, or we can say finding your someone special. So let's directly go toward the editor. So first I will clarify the methods, like what exactly it's working. Okay, so that is the name of their Valentine that you want to find. The first one is the name of the person, name of the person. Okay, that you have to do. The next one is like you are applying loop, that is ये या वो, या if else if ये वाली चलेगी, if वो वाला चलेगा, if या फिर वो नहीं चलेगा, like okay. Second we applying the loop, and for third, if you get it, then it's 1 at index x, that is जो तुम्हारी पहली गर्लफ्रेंड थी वो छोड़ के चली गई, तो उसमें new girlfriend. Okay, and if not, then maybe they are in a someone else list and not in your list, that is if found it's your, and then fourth, if not it's someone someone else list. Okay, मतलब वो तुम्हारे नहीं, दूसरे. Okay, and the main thing is we are directly moving to the implementation of the code. Okay, so let's go to editor. I will remove all it. Make sure to practice with me. Okay, so just don't just what do you say, sit and play the video and watch. Then using namespace std, then take a, we are taking again void for this as well. So void, now we are taking, we are searching to search element, and then our the same, that is integer array, then take a integer n and integer int key. Okay, so in this we have to take the boolean that it has only two output, that is first one is a false and true, and false, that is it's declare using 0 and 1. Okay, so I will write it here is a false, and then we have to apply the for condition for this, that is for integer I equals to 0 and I less than size, and then we have to just increment the value, that is I plus plus. Okay, so yeah, we get y, we get here, that is size. Just a second. Yeah, so we did not declare the size. Yeah, in this we take a n, yeah, we take it as a size. Okay, so yeah, in this we have to again apply if condition, and array I equals to, if it's equals to k key, then it's your found. And okay, it means it's found. And in this, like after this, so just a second, yeah, we have to display the your, so yeah, f, where is it, found, it's not found, it's found. Found means found your special one. I will write it here as found your special one is at index whatever that index is. Okay, and then make it as a right, and then just print I, and it means like where is she, आपके घर पे या फिर बाहर या फिर other city, whatever you want to judge or anything. Okay, this is the condition when if you found some. What if you did not found someone? So for that we again apply condition for if not found, then okay, then we write C out, take a string, and if you are sad, not found, yeah, your lover not found, so it may be they are in someone else list. Okay, else list, sad for you. Okay, and then apply it same. Then our the last line, or we can say the last, or we can say main, that is integer main, that we are taking the value of array and everything. So in this we are taking array again, size of 5, and then again declaring the size. So I'll just scroll it out, and then again we have to declare the, we don't, yeah, we have to declare the key as well, and then we write it here as a enter the key you want to search, or like किसे ढूंढना है तुम्हें. Okay, then scene, take it from the user, that is output, and then you have to just write it search element array size and key. And the last but not the least line is our favorite line, that is return. So I hope we get any type of error, because yeah, we missed something, some semicolon, so that's why we get it the error. So let's check it. So yeah, in line number 18 we get it as a, what we get, integer main function define is not allowed here. Why? So let's run. We just make a mistake here, that we miss the one semicolon here and put it in the extra right here, so that's why it's not completing the loop, and it's only working for the, that is index 0. Okay, so now it's, let's run again, that is if we are writing 1 we found, then again run, then again you get 2, then again you have found your crush, and if you write 6 you did not find your crush, because she is someone, he or she is someone else partner, or in someone else list. Okay, and make sure you know what I'm telling to you and how the exact code is working and all that stuff. Okay, so, and make sure to practice this as well, like one by one, because I'm just I'm telling to you how to use the code and as well. Okay, one by one. So make sure again practice to this question properly, and if you have any type of doubt you can comment me. So let's quick recap what we are learning today. That is, first one, deleting an element. Okay, like removing someone from your Valentine list. And the second one is, that is searching for an element, like finding your true Valentine or someone else. Okay, so I hope you enjoy this fun Valentine edition in C++ coding. If you did, so make sure to like, share and subscribe for more coding fun. So see you in the next one. Bye bye. Until then, keep coding and keep spreading love to the coding. Make sure that. Yeah. Bye bye.